Alright, today we're installing the UPR Catch Can for 2025 Ford Maverick 2.0 Ecoboost. This is your PCV hose. It goes from here through here to right here. My Maverick has this LED light here, so they tell you to put a spacer here to drop it down to bolt it, but of course there's no room. So basically you're not going to use the spacer. You're just going to have to flip this upside down, and then your catch can is going to mount like this right here. I'll be right back. Okay, I got the catch can mounted. I just used this bolt here, right here, with the supplied nut that they give you. It's 10 millimeter. Just tighten that up. Catch can is going to sit like this. Now, for your connectors for your hose right here, see this little plastic tip right here? If you just push this down like this, trying to find a spot where y'all can see. Yeah, it's hard to do it with one hand. You just push that down, and then this hose will just pop right off. And then this comes around to here, and then right here. On this one, you just it's gonna lift like this, and it pops right off. Now, I know I got 1,600 miles on my car, on my Maverick, and you know, I got a Highlander, has the direct import injection, and that keeps the valves clean. But you know, a friend of mine, he's a Ford mechanic, and he was like, as soon as I got this, he's like, dude, put a catch can. You're gonna keep it a long time, put a catch can. Now, I just took this off for the first time, and then you can see right here, it was it's got like an oil residue. And then, now I just took this hose off, man. This is the first time. And you look in there, see all that? That was what's coming out of here. And look in there. You can see the oil in there. So, I mean, I don't know how to explain it, man, but you know, I drive this car. I mean, I don't do short drives. You know, I started up, I'm driving 10, 20 miles at a time, at a minimum. And it's, you know, I get it up to temp, and I'm getting up to kind of highway speeds. But yeah, we'll see how it works. Let me go ahead and grab these two hoses, and we'll hook it up. But I just want to show you, man, this is the first time I've ever taken these hoses off, and there's oil residue in there. Be right back. All right, only got one hand, so this is how it's set up. On the top, the instructions tell you for this longer hose to put the straight fitting to the PCV right here, or right here on the engine side, and then come across, go under these two, come across, and then the 45 is on this side. On this side, you have the straight connector right here, which comes across to here, goes under these two, and then there's a 45 connector right there. All right, man, I'll get this posted on YouTube, and we'll go from there, man. I'll check it in 100 miles, and then 500 miles, and then stuff like that. But yeah, man, I was pretty surprised, man. I mean, it's already, you know, shit, 1,600 miles, and look, that's what came out the, you know, that's what's on the end of the hose. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep this hose in the back of my truck. So if I have to take it to the dealer, that's another good thing. If you have to take it to the dealer or something, or you're worried about maybe warranty warranties or dealers may be saying something, I don't know. You can just pop it off, man. Now that I know how this goes, this takes 5 minutes. I'll pop that off, snap this one back on, and I'll just keep that in my, I got a little tote I keep in the back of the Maverick, and that's it. All right, man, y'all have a good one. Later. Oh yeah, also, if you don't have a tote in the back, you know, like I do, or you don't have a bed cover and you want to find a place to put your original PCV hose, there you go, right there. That'll work. Later.